A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, 5 Democratic state lawmakers in Florida have filed a lawsuit against Governor Ron DeSantis and the Florida Department of Emergency Management, claiming their exclusion from the newly constructed Immigration Detention Center in the Everglades violates state law and the Florida Constitution. The lawmakers argue that this exclusion erodes the separation of powers and improperly restricts the authority of a co-equal branch of government. The lawsuit comes in the wake of growing concerns about the conditions at the facility, dubbed Alligator Alcatraz by critics, where detainees have reported inhumane living situations. The lawmakers had been seeking access to inspect the facility after various accounts from detainees indicated that conditions were dire, with reports of inadequate food, limited access to water, and extreme temperatures within the facility. After facing initial denial, the lawmakers were granted a tour of the detention center, where they observed what they described as appalling conditions. Democratic Representative Maxwell Frost reported hearing cries for help from detainees, while Representative Debbie Wasserman Schultz referred to the facility as an internment camp on social media. She highlighted alarming temperature readings and inadequate medical care, claiming that detainees had gone days without showers or necessary medications. Despite these allegations, Florida Division of Emergency Management spokesperson Stephanie Hartman defended the facility, stating that it meets all required standards and is functioning properly. However, lawmakers and advocates remain skeptical, with Representative Darren Soto questioning the logistics of providing clean drinking water and expressing concerns about the facility's infrastructure. The rapid construction of the detention center, completed in just 8 days, has raised additional questions about oversight and accountability. Miami-Dade County Mayor Daniela Levine Cava has also voiced her concerns, noting that the state seized control of the property from the county, complicating local authority over the facility. As the controversy continues to unfold, lawmakers are planning further hearings and unannounced visits to ensure accountability and transparency regarding the treatment of detainees. The situation has sparked protests outside the facility, with demonstrators calling for the closure of what they describe as a boondoggle. The divide between Democratic and Republican lawmakers on the issue is stark, with Republicans asserting that the facility is well-run and that complaints are politically motivated. As the debate rages on, the future of the detention center and the treatment of those within its walls remains uncertain. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.